We've been talking about serious careers. Now it's all entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. We have Sushil Vishrani from V Entertainment, who, with his team of 30 people, believes in entertaining all of us. And let me tell you from my past experience, it's a brilliant entertainment session. Sushil, over to you.
बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने सबके दिलों में फरमाए हैं वो जिंदगी में कल क्या बनेगा हर एक नजर का सपना ये है कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा मगर ये तो
ओके मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर सेलिंग इन द सेम बोट? Yeah, almost everybody. So let me come down. Today I am going to talk about performing arts. Can I have little space? पाँच किलो वधारे नहीं. Yeah. Yeah, but enough. Great. So I like to interact with people over here, especially the backbenchers. Yeah, great. So anybody can tell me what is performing arts? Okay, incentive, chocolate मत right answer आप सोचो तो. Yeah, so chocolate ना नाम पर हाथ ऊपर थे हो. Yes, please, quick. Dance, drama, perfect. Chocolate, great. Anybody else over here? Yeah. What you perform? Where? Stage, yeah, of course, right. Catch. Great. Few more chocolates over here from this side. Anything else? Something different, Ajikai? What is performing arts? Yep. Dance, singing, yep. Chocolate for you. Dance. Perfect. Great. So we have got very good answers over here. So let's see on the screen what's performing arts. We are starting with a performing art where you use your body and your talent to showcase something on the stage or television or screens. Yeah, courtroom. That is a different talent. Great. So let's see few things about performing arts. Let's start with acting. Why acting? What's the scope of acting? What is acting? Usually the kids act in front of parent. कहीं जोई तो ये तो पापा अथवा मम्मी. Yeah. So let's start with as a career. That's my brother Sunil. એવું નથી મારો ભાઈ છે. And earning potentials. So we have plays, drama, commercial plays, parallel theatre, experimental theatre, street plays, mimicry. Avadaj mimicry? Aye. Yeah. Khamosh. That's mimicry. Mimicry and mono acting. Mono acting is a scope for stage performance. And the latest being stand-up comedy and host, MC. The most paid 45,000 per show is what you can get. 45,000. I started my career with 5,000 and you can reach, there are few MCs who are taking per show 1 lakh rupees. Stand-up comedians, 1 lakh 25, 1 lakh 50 per show. That's what you can earn. TV serials, you can be background, junior artist, chai wala, shak bhaji wala, vegetable vendors, they are also paid. Character artist, main cast role, 7 to 30 days in a month. And per episode, you can earn as much as 5 to 10 lakhs also. Jethalal ji, Daya, yeah. So that's the potential. Advertisements, you can be a model or you can be again artist, back artist. TV shows, as I told, as a host, as a cast, as a background artist. Short films are in right now. Short films you can earn from YouTube. Make a film from your mobile, put it on YouTube, and generate more viewership. You get earnings from that. And telefilms and documentaries, of course, in commercials also, in for advertisement of a commerce also. Acting on big screen. Do you like Amitabh? Yeah, Shah Rukh, Salman, Aishwarya, Sunny, not Sunny Deol, Sunny Leona. Yeah. Okay, so background artist, again, as an actor, stunt artist, character actors, lead character, hero and heroine. It's a stepping stone. You start from stage and then advertisements and then films. These are the new things which is coming on as an artist after doing some courses in acting. If you have a good voice, but not a good face to come on screen. મોઢું મારું એટલું સારું નથી, હું હેન્ડસમ નથી, આમ જાડિયો પાડિયો છું યાર, મને કેવી મજા આવશે. But if you have got the talent to speak, then these are the things which is perfect. Your face is not seen, only voice. FM radio બડબડ ચાલે છે, સાંભળો છો? Yeah, in your cars. So FM radio is a big market as a radio jockey. Voice over artist in advertisements, in product launch, voice over mimicry, जैसे cartoon characters. हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन होता है फॉर द यूएस और द चाइनीज, शिंग चैंग, और उसकी आवाज़ कौन निकालता है इन हिंदी मराठी? दैट इज द वॉइस ओवर आर्टिस्ट. एंड डबिंग आर्टिस्ट. Recently my brother did a film, advertisement, but he was not available for his voice over. और किसी ने कर दिया डबिंग. फेस सुनील का है, but voice और किसी का है. Imagine Sunil wants to do a advertisement which has to be present in China. The dubbing artist will speak in China for the same product. That is also a very good potentials right now. Recognized institutes, there are lots of institutes, even Mitibai has started right now in BA and MA in filming. So that's a very big scope. You can, of course, contact me. My email address is there. Any guidelines is always there. We have the session after 2:30. So there also you can meet me. Lots of artists from Kutchi community. ये सारे artists Kutchi community के हैं. हाँ पहले था पांजी छोकरी acting ना करे. पांजो छोकरो. I got a letter from my grandfather when I started music as a career as a music teacher. बड़ा letter आ गया दादाजी का. But now it is recognized. So let's talk about music, my favorite subject. Music on stage. So stage में concerts होते हैं, orchestra shows होते हैं, classic, what she said, folk music, fusion. Fusion is in. How many would like to rock with a guitar and sing a old song? Lag Ja Gale. So that's fusion. You can see everything on YouTube right now. Orchestra, live orchestra. हर संगीत में, मेहंदी में, no artist is free in the season. No artist is free, and everybody loves to perform, and the best part, they are paid for it. So you can earn up to, again, 50,000 per show if you have that caliber. You can start with 3, 4, 5,000, show your talent, and grow up to 50,000 per show. Average 10 shows per month. What's the calculation? 5 lakhs. Job karo, slowly milega 5 lakh, 7 lakh, 10 lakh. But your potential will earn. I am doing right now annually more than 150 shows. That's average of 15 shows per month. Right? So this jockey, DJ, every party has a DJ. Host ho na ho, singer no, but DJ zaruri hai. Thodi lights laga diya, have that talent of mixing, ear for music, and you can earn. Again, DJ can earn up to 1 lakh also. There are few DJs who are earning per show 5 lakhs. Branded DJs. So imagine where you can go. Drama and ballet music. So now drama and ballet music are little less popular, but in foreign countries, if you are representing India with a good concept, you can really have a good career in that. Music as a playback singer, albums, Indian classical, Western, fusion, film songs, background scores. The most fast moving is jingles. If you are very good in a studio, every day you can get minimum 2 to 3 jingles to sing. Because advertisement media is growing like mad. Minimum 2-3 jingles તમને દિવસમાં મળી શકે. And every jingle can give you anywhere between 5,000 to 25,000. Every jingle. Music as a teacher. I started my career as a teacher. And
अब तुम मुझे सिखाओगे कैसे पढ़ाते हैं?
ये थे मेरे म्यूजिक सर पहले के. मैं इनके पास सीखता था. मैंने ये सोचा कि कुछ नया सीखने को मिले. मजा आए? नहीं, बिल्कुल बोर हो गया था. सर दर्द होने लगा. ऐसे हंसो मत. अरे इसी वजह से तो मैंने वो क्लास छोड़ के प्राइवेट ट्रेनिंग शुरू कर दी. इनके सिखाने की स्टाइल बहुत अच्छी है. मैं उनको आपसे मिलाना चाहता हूँ. क्योंकि हम प्यार से उन्हें कहते हैं हैप्पी सर. सुशील विश्रानी, योर फ्रेंडली म्यूजिक टीचर फ्रॉम म्यूजिक फॉर ऑल.
So आपको मजा आया ना सुन के? That was dubbing. That was dubbing. And the passion if you have to teach, what is required, ये मैं बताऊंगा. But one is passion to teach. Second is like to share. बांटना चाहते हो. And love children. Now तो adults भी, दादी माँ भी सीखते हैं. Yeah. No, I love children. If you love children, automatically love will be in yourself. And then you can be a very good teacher. Very good teacher. आज मैंने क्यों चॉकलेट बांटा? That's love. मुझे पता है. Chocolate are liked by everybody. So that's love. Spread love. Teaching में there are few careers in teaching. You can do few courses in teaching. And then I did traditional way learning. No exams. But then slowly I understood the importance of learning. So I learned different forms of music. I started with tabla, then harmonium, singing. I was the worst student of my sir. તારો અવાજ હેઠે નથી જતો, તું નહીં ગા. That was his words. And then I did hard work. And almost 10 years, now I can, at least nobody will run from the auditorium. Great. So these are a few Kutchi artists. Kalyanji Anandji, everybody knows. Gam Kundrodi, Viju Shah, Gam Kundrodi. Shekhar of Vishal Shekhar is also a Kutchi. And lastly, do you love drama, dance or music? Are you passionate for it? Are you creative? Do you love to perform? Can you be a student forever? Then performing art can be your perfect career. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sushil. That was truly entertainment and entertainment.